Welcome to episode number 3. So, in this episode, I'm exactly going to tell you how you can find and work with high ticket clients. Right? If you want to really work with high ticket clients, or if you want to really find high ticket clients in your business, in your market, then you need to really have certain set of skill sets in order to acquire and work with those clients, right? So let's get into the step number 1, which is you need to understand the skills that is important in your business. So let's get started soon after this intro. Boom. Now that you have understood that in order to really find and work with high ticket clients, you need to really have the skills. So let's now look at this laptop, right? The first important thing is, see, a lot of people believe that they need experience. See, you just need skill. Okay? You don't need experience. You don't need 10, 15 years, 6-7 years of experience in order to acquire these clients. So I know a lot of people, you might not really believe in this. Let me tell you now. See, if you really want to become good at martial arts, what do you need? Do you need 10-15 years of trial and errors of your own experience, or do you need a coach? Do you need a mentor who can tell you the right fighting techniques, who can tell you the right way of fighting? Who do you need? Do you need 5-10 years of experience, or do you need a coach or a mentor? Definitely you need a mentor, so that you're going to save your time, you're going to save your energy, you're going to save 10 years or 15 years of your trial and errors. See, you need to know the skill, and most important thing is, after you learn the martial arts technique, if you don't practice it every single day, if you don't practice your punches, your kicks and the forms, if you don't do that, then it's no use. But if you practice it every single day, what happens? You get better at it, and when you go to the battlefield, you win. You will definitely win. That's in business. It is the same thing. You don't need, even though if you're completely a new beginner who wants to start working with clients, who want to start your business, see, you just need a skill. To learn that skill, you need the right mentor, okay, who can give you the right skill sets, who can give you the right mindset, and who can tell you how to really take the step-by-step action plan. See, the formula for guaranteed success is right mindset plus right skill set plus right action is equal to guaranteed success. To do that, you need to have the skills, and you need to really have a mentor who can really guide you on this path. Now let's really look into what are the different skill sets that you need to have in order to really find high ticket clients in your business. Now look at this diagram. First thing is, you need to really have that entrepreneur mindset, because 80% mindset and 20% skill sets. Second important skill that you need to know is business consulting. You should really know business consulting because you are in business. Don't tell me why. Third important skill that you need to really know is copywriting. Copywriting is, the way you connect with your audience, the way turning your words into cash. You need to know how to really connect with your audience. It is about sales copies, it can be advertisements, anything you want to write, you need to know copywriting. Okay, the headline, why did you click on this video? First of all, because of the headline. And how did I write that headline? Because of copywriting. It's about salesmanship in print, right? Anything you write, it should persuade a person, your audience, to take the next action. That's copywriting. Then traffic. See, if you don't know how to drive traffic for your own business, then you're going to end up running behind clients. If you want clients to come to you, then you need to really know how to drive traffic for your business. Let's say, I don't know if you guys can see this. Yeah. So let's say this is your business. This can be online, it can be offline. If you want customers, you need to really drive a lot of traffic. How do you drive traffic when it is online? Into your website. It's not basically, it can be to your website, it can be to the sales funnel. That is the next important skill that you need to learn, is how to build reliable sales funnels. right? So you need to drive them to your website. And if it is offline, you have your billboards, you have your banner, then the people are walking in the street, then they see your shop, they will come and out of that's how the traffic happens, right? So you need to really know how to drive traffic for your own business. Then the funnels are like salespeople. Let's say you come, they walk into your store, and then your salesperson will welcome them, will guide them, they'll give them all the details. You know, how do you do that when it is online? You can't keep any salespeople there, right? So what do? You develop funnels. You build funnels in order to take them from step one, from A to B to C, and you make their customers. That's basically funnels, right? And also finally, okay, you know all of the skills, but if you don't know closing, if you don't know how to really close the client, how to really connect and close the client, then it's of no use. So these are the important skills that you need to learn. Look, you might really have 10-15 years of your experience doing it offline, but if you want to take it online, scale it up, then you need to be learning all the skills from the beginning. And you cannot be telling that I know everything. If you say I know everything, that is the most dangerous word in English, right? If you really want to relearn again, probably, you know, not relearning, if you want to upgrade yourself, right? If you want to learn the new things, how you can really take your business online and make at least 3-5 lakhs per month, every month, continuously, then click the link in the description below. I have a free special masterclass. I'll exactly tell you how you can do all of this in a much deeper level. So click the link and I will talk to you inside. And finally guys, if this gave you any idea, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. So I'll be coming up with a lot more videos like this to really help to take your business to the next step. So don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.